Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to connect a custom web application to n8n workflow. Basically, what this does is that whenever I fill a form on my web application, it goes to trigger my workflow on anything. So currently this is published, so you may not see the flow running. However, on the execution platform, you see that it's running. But at this point, I'm going to fill the form. I come to AI briefing and I just fill up this form. Just focus with my come to target audience sales. Okay, so I have all of the inputs in my form. The ones I click on submit and start research, it will trigger my workflow on anything. And as you can see, it's going to come up in a few seconds here. So this is the workflow that is currently running and it is connected to this UI interface. So this crawling effect that we are seeing as a product of the workflow that is running on n8n. So once this is completed, it will show the output on this application because the trigger here is webhook and it's also responding to webhook. So this triggers the account and this returns back the results to the application. It is still running my web application is still showing that it's running. So at this point, it's completed. So I'll also confirm this on my n8n workflow. Yeah, succeeded. On my application, I could see the results of the script data. So an example is this. We spoke about EMRs and health workers. Yeah. So basically, this is the results of the script data, and this is connected to Firecrawl. So basically, based on the input of the user, it goes to find the corresponding URLs. I'm also using the other script endpoint in Firecrawl basically to guess the content of that, guess the content in the URL, then output it back to the user.